I've been pushing work all summer.
Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really neat spring balloon bouquet or centerpiece, and all the tools that you're going to need will be in the description. I'm starting off with 5 balloons, and they're all the same size, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I do have one of these balloon sticks, and it has a 4-ring balloon holder, and there's a base for it. Everything will be in the description section in case you want to pick up one of these in order to create this awesome centerpiece. Let's get started. Alright, so I have 5 balloons in front of me, and I have a ring that has 4 openings. So the balloons that are going to be at the bottom, they're going to be slightly smaller. I'm going to go ahead and give this 10 pumps as I inflate it. And I'm going to be consistent all around with that. So each balloon at the bottom will have 10 pumps. Okay, so it's time to fasten the balloons inside here. And you will see there are 4 slots at the bottom, so all I'm doing is pulling the ties of the balloon through. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and inflate the top part of the balloon a lot larger, and I gave it about 35 pumps. And as you can see, it's coming along quite well. So I have my base right here, and I have the very top of the balloon right here, and definitely about 35 balloons. Definitely about 35 pumps was what I needed to see a difference. Alright, so it's now time for me to put this in order right now. So we're going to connect a quick slide into that. That's all you do to connect it. And I have this beautiful, this actually came from the Dollar Tree. You may be able to find some right now, especially now that spring is here. I'm gonna just quickly put this in, and what I'm gonna do is I wanna conceal this part of it, the white part. So I'm gonna do my best to conceal this with the feathers a little bit. I don't want to glue it on because sometimes I tend to reuse my centerpieces, and if you were to glue it on, then it's hard to reuse. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the balloon on and just try to kind of get it into place. And there's a little hook right here, a little opening. I'm just going to slide my balloon right into that. Okay. And just try to maneuver it a little bit so that I can conceal the white part. That's all I'm doing. Just trying to conceal it. All right. Now it's time to just twist it around. That's all I'm doing. As I mentioned, I am not going to hot glue because if I were to hot glue this, then I cannot reuse this. And I tend to use my reuse my pieces quite a bit. I love it. Now, this base can easily be removed. So I'm just gonna slide the balloons right into this, just like that. And I'm going to just put the base on. Now it's time to just today give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember guys, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.